650. This is his first warm-up. 650, he's just teasing us right now.
Was heißt das, Sascha? Ärgert uns.
First attempt. With a green card. So again, he's hanging on to 650. He's trying to beat 650.
Aber niemals auf Turnier. Janek, deine Zeit ist aus.
You said you can't run a 4-minute mile, huh?
Oh, jetzt ist 6:19, ich sag's dir. The world's smallest.
Okay, we got a green card on that, so we will definitely video review that. Third attempt.
Überhaupt 3 Sechser in Folge zu stacken, geht nicht.